how to add barcode in Canva. So first go to Canva and then just open up a blank design like this one. So there are two ways here that you can do to add a barcode to Canva. The first one is hover mouse over elements, then search for barcode. Next is you can see a lot of barcodes here. So I'm just going to use the graphics. So let's just click on see all and then just select any of the barcodes here that you want. And then let's say like this one, you can just click on that and then it'll automatically be added here. So the other one that you can do this here, you can create your own barcode if you want that and then add it here. So just hover mouse over apps and then search for barcode and then just click on this one here. And then here you can just choose your barcode type, type in your barcode number, choose your style. So let's say I'm going to choose this one. Okay. And then the image scaling, just choose which one you want. So as for the vector, this is paid. And then you can see the preview here. So if you want to save the image to uploads, you can do that. But remember, this is also paid. So if you want to unlock more features, you can just click on pay to unlock features here. So here, once you've done all of this, you can just click on insert barcode. And there you go. Now you have your own barcode here. Okay. So that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.